Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another episode of Sneaker Sundays. In this episode of Sneaker Sundays, we're talking about one of the most iconic shoes that came out this year for Jordan brand. But we're not talking about a men's pair. We're not talking about a grade school pair. We're talking about an infant pair. As you know, as a sneakerhead that I am, OG sneakerhead, I tend to buy my son a lot of sneakers. I haven't put him on the channel yet, but you guys will be seeing him soon. He's about to make his debut on this channel really soon. But Shadow Ones recently came out for infants. I was able to get my hands on a pair. So, you know, why not do a review for it? But before we get into that, I'm going to need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop a new content to our channel. Forget about all that, man. Let's get into the shoe. Alright guys, as you can see, here's the box. Size 9. 9C. Let me get that a little closer, you guys. See if I can get zoom in. It just came in a, you know, typical Jordan box, grade school Jordan box, as you can see. Regular Jordan box. Got the little Jordan sticker in the inside. Yeah, you guys are used to seeing that. You know, if you got grade school shoes, preschool shoes, infant shoes, this would tend to come with it. But see the hand on there. Let's get the shoe. Look at it, man. Infant Shadow Ones. As you can see, it's a size 9 like I showed you guys earlier. Man, let's put one of these down. Let's talk about it, man. Whew. You know, once I seen them, man, like it was a rumor going around that they were gonna come out with, you know, Shadow Ones for the whole family, which is infant, preschool, grade school, and men. But when they came out, all we seen was, you know, grade school and men. So, you know, left a couple of people scratching their head trying to figure out where were the infant shoes at. But as you can see, Jordan brand waited a little while, going back out, man. I guess with the they did great with the Shawn Weatherspoon Air Max 1 collaboration with the 97s. They did great with that, with the infant. So I guess they figured, let's just throw them out there, man. Let's just start coming out with preschool and infant retro ones along with the men's and grade school. So I think they did an excellent job with this. As you can see, it has that premium leather. I know I gotta get the shoe kind of close to the camera. As you can see, got that premium. If you guys can see it, it has that good premium leather. As you can see, Nike Air on the tongue. On the bottom, even has the, you know, for the babies, man. Like, you know, as a parent, I just try to, you know, make sure if I'm getting something for myself and it's available for my child, I'll always try to, you know, get it for him and try to make sure, you know, he's wearing, you know, some nice things, which is always a good thing, man. But very, very clean shoe, man. Like, this shoe is very clean. It looks just like the men's in the grade school, man. This is very clean, man. Toe box has the premium leather feel to it. You know, the back panels, premium feel to it. Pretty looks just like a miniature Shadow One for men, but you know, it's a very, very clean shoe, man. And I had to hop on it, man. Like, on this channel, I'm definitely gonna be, when I do the sneaker reviews on this channel, if it comes in men's and grade school, from now on, I will be doing the reviews like that. So if you guys enjoy this channel, you know, you got kids in, I'm about to put y'all on to a lot of sneakers that's out there for babies and preschoolers and grade schoolers and stuff like that, man. But this is clean, man. Very clean shoe, man. He gonna be summertime fresh, man. You know, gotta keep the kids looking good, man. If you looking good, your kids gotta be looking good. So that's a fact. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think about this shoe, man. If you guys think it's a good idea for Nike to come out with infant shoes that's iconic like this, man, let us know, man. Leave it in the comments below, man. We always respond back. I think this is a brilliant idea, man. I think it's just another way for Nike to make some more money, but this is clean, man. I think this is a very clean shoe for babies, man. And the colors are good too, because, you know, kids, they rip and run through shoes, so, you know, the colors are good. Great colors, black, gray, can't really mess them up too much. Match with a lot of things, so, you know, that's also a great thing too for kids, man. But yeah, man, so, you know, I gotta rate the shoe, man. There's no bias to the kids' shoes, man, so, you know, I gotta rate it, man. Definitely gotta give this a 4, man. Just the colors are great, man. The materials feel good. Feel just like the men's, man. There was no slack. They didn't slack and try to take shortcuts when they're coming out with an infant shoe. It looks good, feels good. I don't know how it's gonna feel on my son's foot, but it feels good and it looks good, man. So, you know, there you have it, man. But just to let you know, if you guys want to reach out to us and have any other questions, you guys see us on YouTube and you want to reach out to us on social media, you can reach us on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. Or you can email us at p4yt2016@gmail.com. With that being said, we keeping it 100, not a penny less. Peace.